SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to connect to a hotspot on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. What we're going to be doing in this video is activating the personal hotspot on one iPhone and then connecting to that hotspot from another iPhone. So to get started, you're going to open the Settings app on the iPhone from which you want to share the personal hotspot, and then you're going to select Personal Hotspot at the top of this menu. Now you just need to tap the button to the right of Allow Others to Join, and that's going to make the hotspot active, and then you're going to want to take note of the Wi-Fi password that's shown underneath it. So now you just need to open the Settings app on the iPhone that you want to connect to the hotspot, and then you can choose the Wi-Fi option near the top of this menu, and now you're going to look for the iPhone that's sharing its hotspot. In my case, it's Matt's iPhone 15. So I'm going to select that. And now you're going to enter the password for the personal hotspot on the phone that you want to connect. So you just type that in. And then once the password is entered, you can tap the join button at the top right corner of the screen. And then after a second or two, you're going to see that those phones are paired. And now that this iPhone is connected to this one, and it's going to use the data from this iPhone to connect to the internet. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.